A stunning architectural masterpiece, 14 Ridge Drive is located in the heart of Mountain Brook, Alabama. Built in 1927, this stately manor is set among 5 acres, an abundance of land for the 35213 zip code. The living hall was designed by Fritz Whaley and Gary Snipes. It features beautiful coffered ceilings and walls, an antique fireplace from France, and custom French doors leading to the lush gardens. The commanding fireplace in the Great Hall is original to the estate. The warm yet majestic room features deep dental crown and picturesque molding. 3 sets of French doors open to the covered front porch. The beautiful dining room includes hardwood floors, deep crown molding, chair rail molding, a crystal chandelier, and 2 sets of antique sconces original to the house. A cozy eat-in kitchen includes marble countertops. Attention to detail. The master bedroom features marble tile floors, paneled walls with deep crown molding, and decorative trim work on the ceiling. The fireplace is surrounded by a marble mantel circa 1840. Beautiful French doors overlook the gardens. The warm and cozy sitting room adjacent to the master bedroom has a double tray ceiling. The large window overlooks the front of the estate. The study has built-in cabinets with open shelves on either side of doubled arched wood doors, alcoved with coffered panel walls and hidden storage. Her bathroom includes marble tile floors with a leaf motif, a tray ceiling, crown molding, a brass chandelier, a freestanding soaking tub, and custom vanity marble countertops, with plenty of storage in the bathroom and leading into the ladies' dressing room. His bathroom is adorned with black granite and custom woodwork. A secret door leads to his walk-in closet. All bedrooms in the home are well appointed with beautiful views of the outdoor landscape. Situated perfectly on the ridge, every room and bathroom in the home has a breathtaking view. On the back of the 5-acre estate, the guest house has an old-world feel, but the interior is sleek and modern, with every amenity for independent living. Terraces and covered porches overlook the magnificent tiered gardens. There's so many extras, including an abundance of storage with hidden doors, closets, and drawers throughout the house. Other features include an irrigation system, a security system, a laundry room adjacent to the master bedroom, and an elevator. Other extras include a basement with additional rooms, complete with a fireplace. For more information on 14 Ridge Drive, contact Stephanie Robinson at Realty South.